Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to run Facebook ads for Shopify. So let's just begin. First of all, you need to have the Shopify store. As you can see that we have our Shopify store here. And along with that, you need to have the business account in Meta Business Suite. And to create the business account in the Meta Business Suite, you need to have the Facebook page. Okay, so as you can see that this is my Facebook page. So let's click on the Meta Business Suite here. And as you can see that we are inside the Meta Business Suite of my Facebook page, and my Instagram account is also connected with it. Okay, so all you need to do is to have the business account in the Meta Business Suite. Okay, so let's click here. So if you don't have any business account, you can simply create the business account from here. All you need to do is to click on the create a business account, and you need to fill up this detail to create the business account in the Meta. Okay, so after creating the business account, what you need to do, you have to go inside the business account from here, and you will be able to see the settings of our Meta Business Suite. Okay, so you can see that we have the users, we have the accounts, we have the data sources, we have the brand safety, integration, billing, request, and you can see the other options here as well. Okay, after creating the business account, you may need to have the ad accounts here. So let's click on the ad accounts. Okay, so as you can see that you can add the ad accounts from here. So let's click on the ad accounts, and from here you can actually create a new ad account, and you can claim the existing ad account, and you can also request to share an ad account from here. Okay, so let's close this right now. Alright, so now what we need to do, we have to go inside the ads from here. Okay, so from here you can create the ad for your Shopify store, but you can also create it from the ad manager. So we'll go inside there, click on the all tools, and you will be able to see the ads manager here. So click here. So we can create the ad campaigns for our Shopify store from here. And you can also connect the Facebook and Instagram with your Shopify store. All you need to do is to go back to your store. Okay, so we have to go inside the dashboard, and from here we have to click on the ad apps. We have to go to the Shopify app store, and in the search bar all you need to do is to write down the Meta here, and here you will be able to see Facebook and Instagram. So let's click here. So if you want to connect your Shopify store with the Facebook or the Instagram, you can simply do it from here, and with the help of this you can sell your products on Facebook and Instagram and manage your business from one place in the Shopify. So what do you get by installing this app? You will get the shop insights, including best performing products and top tagged content. And it can also help you to drive better ad performance by setting up a conversion pixel. And you can easily set up your shop with one-time account creation. And you can sell from one inventory that automatically syncs with your shop. And in the last, you can get email and live chat support from the Meta. Okay, so if you want to connect this, you can simply connect this, but that is totally optional for running the Facebook ads for our Shopify store. So let's go back to our ads manager from here. So from here, we can simply create the campaign. So click on the create, and here you will be able to see we have the campaign objectives. So if you want to drive the sales, you will simply select this. If you want to get the leads, you simply select this. And if you want to have the engagement, a promotion, traffic, and the awareness, you can simply select any of the options, whichever you want. So right now I just want to drive the sales with my ad. So I will simply click on sales here and click on continue. So here we have to fill up the details for our campaign here. So the first of all, we have the campaign name. So I'm going to write down Shopify ads here. Okay, so if our ad is actually related to the credit, employment, or housing, or any social issues, elections, or the politics, I have to define this here. But if our ad is not related to any of the categories that are defined here, we'll simply skip this. Okay, so after that we have the campaign details. So in the buying tab we have the auctions. So let's click on the edit and let's see what we have other than the auction. Okay, so we don't have anything other than the auction here. All right, so we have the campaign objectives, which is actually the sales. Okay, so if you want to add the catalog or enable the catalog, you can simply do it from here. But right now I can't do this because I have to create a catalog in Commerce Manager to use with the ads that I haven't created yet. So if you want to have a look at the other options, you simply click here. and you can see that we only have the campaign spending limits. And after that, we have the A/B testing, and in the end, we have the advantage campaign budget. So if you want to enable this, you can simply do it from here. So let's click this and let's just see what we have in this. In the advantage campaign budget, we have the campaign budget. So you can define the daily budget from here. But if you want to define the lifetime budget of this ad, you can simply do it from here. And we also have the campaign bid strategy. So if you want to edit this, you will simply click here. And let's just see the other options here. So we have the higher volume, we have the cost per result goal, and we have the ROAS goal, and we also have the other options. And in the other options, we have the bid cap. So right now, I will just simply go with the high volume here. And you can also see the more options from here. So let's click here. So you can see that we have the ad scheduling here. Okay, so now let's click on the next from here. So we have the ad set name here. So let me just change the name of the ad set from here. It would be Shopify ad set. All right. Okay, so in the conversion, we have the different options. The first one is the website, and the second one is the app, and the third one is actually the website and the app, and the fourth one is the messaging apps, and the last one is the calls. So as we know that we want to drive the ad for our Shopify store, so we simply click on the website here. The performance goal is actually the maximum number of conversions. So if you want to change this, you can simply do it from here. We have the other goals. So you can simply select any other option from here. Okay, so after that we have the pixel. So if you want to know about the landing page views, you would have to require the meta pixel. Okay, so right now I just simply skip this. And after that we have the cost per result goal. So you can see the more options from here. We have the dynamic creative, and we have the budget and the schedule here, and we have the audience here. So in the audience, we can create the new audience, or you can also use your saved audience if there is any. So how can you create the new audience? So first of all, you have to select the location of your audience. After that, you have to select the age range of your audience. And after that, we have the gender. So you can simply specify the gender if the product or your store is the gender specific. And you can also do the detailed targeting. In the detailed targeting, you can add the demographics of your audience. You can also add the interest or the behavior of your audience. And you can also add the interest or behavior of your audience. And you can also exclude the things if you want to. So after that, we have the languages. So if you want to change the language, you can simply do it from here by clicking on the edit button. And in the end, you can save this audience. So in the last, we have the placements. So in the placements, we have the advantage plus placements that is recommended. And we also have the manual placements. So if you want to go with the manual placements, you will simply select this, and you will be able to see the devices where your ads show up. And you can also see the platforms that is right now the Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and the messenger. Okay, so in the placements, as you can see that we have the feed, we have the Facebook feed, we have the Instagram feed, and we have the Instagram profile feed, and the Facebook marketplace. We have the video feeds, and you can also see the other options here. And you can also show your ad on stories and the reels. We have the in-stream ads for the video and the reels. We have the search result. We have the messages. We have the apps and the sites. So from here, you can actually select the custom placement for your ad. Okay, so now let's click on the next here. So we have the ad name. So let's change the name of our ad, Shopify ad. And you can also preview your ad from here. So let's click on this, and you have to add the media here. Okay, so in the identity, we have the Facebook page, we have the Instagram page, and in the ad setup, we have the create app, and we have the creative source, in which we have the manual upload and the catalog. Since we don't have the catalog, that is why this option is disabled. And in the format, we have the single image or video. We can also add the carousel, and you can also add the collection if you want. And in the add creatives, you can add your media here. So if you want to add the picture, you can simply do it from here. And if you want to add the video, you can simply do it from here. Okay, so now you can see both of these options here. Or if you want to create the video, you can simply click here. Okay, so right now I've just simply add the image here. So I can actually go with any image from here. You can also upload the image if you want to. So let's click on the upload here. and go with this image right now. Okay, so I have selected this image. So now let's click on the next. Now you can see the picture of my ad on the different placements. We have this on stories and reels. We have this on the search result. We have this on the feeds and in-stream ads for the videos and the reels. So let's click on the next. And you can optimize your image ad from here. So let's click on the done right now. Yeah. Okay, so we are done with the 8 creatives here. Now if you want to add the primary text of your ad, you can simply do it from here. And from here you can simply write down the headline of your ad, and you can write the description of your ad, in which you will simply include the additional details. So in the heading, I'm going to write down Shopify ad. You can see the change in the heading here. And we also have the call to action, that is learn to more right now. So you can simply change this from here. So if you're running a kind of discount, you simply click on the get offer, and you can see this on our ad preview here. And in the last, we have the destination, and this is the important point here. So if you want to run the ad for the Shopify store, all you need to do, you have to go back to your Shopify store. You can see that this is our Shopify store. Obviously this is a sample store. You will need to copy the URL of your Shopify store and go back to the ad manager, and you have to paste the URL of your Shopify store here. Okay, you can see the store of the name of a Shopify store, that is actually the my store. So here you can also add the display link if you want to. And in the browsers add-on, we have the 3 options. The first one is a none, and the second one is the call, and the last one is a WhatsApp. And in the destination, we also have the instant experience, and we also have the Facebook event. So we have the languages here. You can also see the tracking here if you want to. So you can set up the tracking of the website events, the app events, or the offline events. All right. So I think we are done with everything here. Okay, so we have completed everything in our ad campaign for our Shopify store. So all you need to do is to click on the publish, and this will publish the ad for your Shopify store. But right now I'll just save this in my draft. Okay, so this is how you can run the Facebook ad for your Shopify store. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.